The equation for freezing point depression is the change in freezing temperature equal to I times Kf times m, and the equation for boiling point elevation is the change in boiling temperature equals I times Kb times m. Before we can use these equations, we need to get the molality of our solution. Remember that molality is equal to moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. Sucrose is the solute. It's being dissolved in water, which is the solvent. So let's first find the moles of sucrose. We have 338 grams of sucrose. Multiply by 1 mole of sucrose divided by its molecular weight, which from the periodic table we can calculate is 342 grams. Which equals 0.989 moles of sucrose. We have 719 grams of water. Convert that to kilograms, 0.719 kilograms water. And to find molality, we'll divide 0.989 moles of sucrose by 0.719 kilograms of water, which gives a 1.38 molal solution. Now that we have our molality, let's calculate the change in freezing point. So delta TF is equal to, I is 1 because we have a non-electrolyte, sucrose. The Kf, constant given in the problem, 1.86 degrees Celsius per molal. And we'll plug our molality in, 1.38. Solving for delta TF gives us 2.57 degrees Celsius. 2.57 degrees Celsius is the change in the freezing point for the solution. So in order to calculate the freezing point of the solution, we have to subtract, because of freezing point depression, from the freezing point of the solvent. So 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. If we subtract the change in freezing point, we end up with negative 2.57 degrees Celsius for the freezing point of the sucrose solution. To calculate the change in the boiling point, it's very similar to what we just did. So the change in the boiling temperature is equal to I, which is 1, the Kb constant, which is given, 0.512 degrees Celsius per molal, and plugging in our molality, 1.38, we get delta T to be 0.707 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of the solution is found by adding the change in temperature to the boiling point of water, because it's boiling point elevation. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. We add 0.707 to get 100.707 degrees Celsius.